Good job, babe. Proud of you. Juicy. There we go, babe. She's pretty talented. Tell you what, it's a pretty tight squeeze right here. That's my wife though, boys and girls. She don't mess around. All right, let's get this gate here open. Okay, babes. Looks good. Hang on. It's perfect, babe. It's perfect. She's a pro. You're good, babe. Keep coming. Perfect. Yep. Looks good. Keep going. That's my wife right there. God damn. And look at the Halloween decoration she did. Who's got it better than this? Yeah, you got it. All right, start cutting this back. There you go. Looks good, babe. Babe, good job.
I told you it's easier with the
load. You just make everything look easy. It smells good out here too, like someone's burning some maple. All right, Power Wagon, welcome home. Welcome to the crew. Welcome to the yard of the yard of dog poo and yeah, there's something for you. The yard of Mopar madness. Hell yeah. Got a spot waiting right here. And she'll rest next to the other 78. You also do a lot better job tying the excess straps than I do, so I just kind of...
Did you get that on film?
Yeah, I'm filming this. I admit it. I just kind of wrap it up and throw it, and I didn't do terrible on this one, but for example, I'll show you guys, this is what...
Oh wait, they already know.
That's my wife's work. This is my work.
Babe, tell them to go easy on us in the comments.
Christmas.
About our mini straps.
My Christmas. Yeah, so go easy on the comments, all right? I only had one big size strap, that's why I doubled up back here, and we have the chain and other straps up front. Completely forgot the big size straps in Alex's mom's truck too, but we ensured that it was still secure.
You also don't know how to wrap these right, so they get stuck.
Listen, babe.
I had to fix one when I went to the landfill 6 times by myself while you were at work.
Oh, really? This is why I just let you handle it then. When you come down, cut the wheel to your left. Okay, good. Okay.
Well, can we put more brake fluid in it?
Yeah, it's fine. Trust me.
He says that.
It's fine. Here we go.
Oh my god.
All right, off the brake.
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe.
I can't really see though.
Okay. Well, let me just get you towards the end of the rail. Okay. Yeah, we're...
Yeah.
So you gotta come back straight. Once your front tire clears this, you can turn it. Ready?
Yeah.
You're about to go down the slope, so it's gonna start going.
Can I push on the brake?
I would just let it roll.
I'm scared though.
Get it, babes.
Pushing the brake as hard as I can right now.
Okay. All right, let off the brake. Wait, don't turn it, don't turn it. You're gonna turn off the ramp. Oh, babe. Yep, you're out.
Did I fall off?
Yeah, you did.
Cool.
You turned off the ramp, so now the ramp is jammed onto the front axle on the driver passenger side, and this one is kind of hanging on.
Well, that's why you gotta climb when you pull through. You told me to turn it when I get to the wheel well.
Yeah, I guess I did. I didn't realize that we'd be turning off the ramps.
Good job, Frank.
Hey, you're the one behind the wheel, okay? That's all right. We'll figure it out.
It was crooked on that side anyway, so maybe it lifted it up and it won't be crooked over there anymore.
Yeah. Yeah, just pull forward. It's all right. We'll figure it out.
Don't show you who got though.
No, that's for us.
Can we take a picture though?
Yeah. All right, try it. Hold. Stop. Okay, the truck is down on the ground. And we can just push her back into her spot. Hello.
Wait!
Ready? Yeah, we're gonna make it.
Yeah.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
On the brake.
He said on the brake.
Alex, you're killing us.
Welcome home. Okay, it is officially home. 2 power wagons in the yard. Sweet. Now, we'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.